put me on record say NDC Minister National Liberation never winning, but the NDC to me winning about 2024. Me say mon friend on radio station na mungu minimase. They don't have what it takes to win an election.
Okay.
Enoch be confess here. John Dramani Amambro 2016 honomo at 8 months to the election. Now only National Security Coordinator.
Not only National Security Coordinator.
Donko was sacked 8 months to the election. Put me on record. Busa Enokomo.
8 months to the 2016 general elections.
Yes.
Now, John Dramani Mahama's government has no national security coordinator.
No national security coordinator. The BNI director, honestly, now the time I saw retirement, he was just acting. And then he and his national special security advisor had fallen off. He and Baba Kamara, put me on record. They had fallen off. So he was a loner. So then no president will bet me winning the second term election without a national security coordinator or winning an election, or any incumbent government winning an election without a BNI, without a national security coordinator, your special security advisors. They now John Dramani Mahama Lati. They know you free one means NDC them power biom. And Maminka say Minchiramo. Why you blow Lati free hormone? What is the reason? Say your culture say he's so powerful. He's so powerful to determine who will be the next president or your second term. He's a threat. No way you need to Wakwafa Yadonko say I forgot his name Yadonko. And to say Okwafa your friend say Sebi Mr. Emiko and the friend you're doing too fast come and answer we have a driver now they are to collect money so won't cheat. That is the difference between Goblo Lati and Yadonko. Also by very incompetent, Unia. Very, 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 very incompetent. Now, why you not that back election away? So I can tell you without fear, say, I'm not surprised, say. And I wouldn't say the allegation with, for example, for say John Dramani Mahama, Bole Bamboy Van Dam, a sponsor Dana Budakwe against him. And there's allegations to Zoom line, a sponsor, your friend is say, for example, so for example, for Nyayano. That's the problem between them. I'm spilling the beans to tell you what is happening. So for some purpose, so I can do the better John Dramani China. So I get you where I'm coming from. So the problems in the NDC is bigger than he John Dramani Mahama. So that is why a person on stepping aside. Because party near the Modia any really any BBA for 29 years near the building party no. Na mumwanya munkwana mudi masa ni yam preme binu enya ndio and a politics your business ema comedy enoch munyina na mo comedy omo enoch no comedy omo hu so munyina didija party na amwa omo ewom se no national security your friend saying
regional security liaison officer Ashanti region
Ashanti region hono say be et say your friend say unse the difference between powder ehwiamonko and a perfume ehwiamonko na meboa nti the powder share wa motuo mu na one page may be on tin pampan but the perfume sha utin pampan na meboa so it not was just there as perfume e wa motuo mu e dia share hono mu it is say your friends a powder na share motuo mu he was just there he couldn't do it he was toothless he was powerless he couldn't act Enoch was just there to say sebi the Bonia Odina our reason is so what the Opa and then on that. He couldn't give any results because he was there powerless.
Okay.
He couldn't act, he couldn't take decision. And I was not surprised across said Omuyino. So all I'm trying to say is NDC party no, the Omoyan me say more fire and the more. And I know me catch Romo executives no Omo be per voter. Muso mo drive V8 or Muso Munyano wahe. Mumuso mu opposition no.
My home videos of Ora John Mahama kwakoye ne brother ya ofiri mu no barrier no V8 ne Jeep twaso numbering over 30 me nim so hu say video na
me hu yeah and a comedy atubi gasa masa nipa bro
na comedy we do mo bi ntwidika
ene atubi
government only policy there be any policy into momo de ne de say ye kana wa mpene a na the veranda boys ne azoka boys ne mule jimifo no na ye de omo aba na ameska kakrama okateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share jimifo bi te say Kofi Blay no mo yellow say mon konko ye a way demonstration. Now why can you for the first time? What they also we ya. Also with the way Jimmy for we NDC need Jimmy for now we ya. For the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants are the assemble cars Ghana. We nyansenia me nyanseni into the say nena ye shisha ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e dia kra nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane mahama mo nti mo ye sure pa say mahama nkwa ne betumi asesa Ghana for 4 years mo jimi o Momo bebre mo atwene nya adwuma o. Obi aye minister, waye MP, waye vice president, waye president. Wansesa Ghana. Hey. When you serious? I can't 4 years but. So now do you see the agenda? Ye metungu mene yen diska. President Mahama di oba obechiska obi abedibi.
From revenue income for a very long time. And that is why the country is broke. And so when you answer, they should go back and research why Ghana is where it is now. Rollins, I want NDC and Rollins, I want one Ghana, your situation, your woman. Into where you was there, they haven't got anything to offer Ghana. They are what they are doing amounts to treason. They should be arrested.
All right.
Period.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's Uncle Joe. Yeah, that's Uncle Joe. There also Joe. You have also brought your submission well taken, well in. The patcho, wait 2 minutes, rapid fire. Mr. Mobile fire, I'll go 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, no matter the next person. 2 minutes will be our 2 minutes. Welcome.
Me geno wa menti ase. Obi to me call me ye the cocaine. Efa baby or no fa e the UK. Bravo. Mahama come again. Yeah, e pray e Mahama Mahama DB yo. Obi kwaje bribe. No they are called foreign newspaper echi. Wow, Mahama. Hey, what bad newspaper money na say oyo kronfo. Kwaje bribe. Hey. Mahama, the Ghana sika. To V8 my him for them ma. Yeah, Mahama the oil sika. Ye businesses outside of Ghana. Ebe Ghana for any make come